Hi, very good evening. My name is Venkatramana Ganji, Android corporate trainer. So it is immense pleasure to conduct workshop on app designing using MIT App Inventor for DRS International School since 2 days. The students are very active and very interactive for designing and all during the session, and they performed very well, and many of them are first time designing or coding or interacting with applications. They're eager to learn new things, and they ask many questions like how we can do application design, is there any other tools we can do. And few of the students, like 2 to 3 people, are like they already know some other non-coding or maybe no coding platforms as well. So they have showed interest during entire workshop, and it's very pleasure to be here and meeting the very young kids, and who are going to be the future of our technology. And very much thankful and to the school management, principal, and the teachers who have been in this conducting workshop for the students into the new technologies. Thank you so much for DRS International School, so inviting me here to meet young minds. Thanks a lot.